I'm Tina Ruggiero, nutrition expert, mixologist, and cookbook author. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pitcher of mango mojitos. Now, as you can see, I'm not using a pitcher. You can use a carafe, you can use a traditional pitcher, anything that holds a few quarts. So you're going to need fresh mint, sugar, mango nectar, which you can get in your supermarket or an ethnic store, nice white rum, like Bacardi works beautifully, and club soda. Take about 4 to 6 sprigs of freshly washed mint and put them in your pitcher, and take a half a cup of sugar and add that right in. And you're going to muddle this dry. And it might seem a little strange to do this dry, but the sugar acts as an exfoliant to the mint, releasing the essential oils, and that's really what you want to do. You don't want to muddle too long, maybe 10 seconds, and that brings out that aromatic flavor without the bitterness that the mint has naturally. Now we're going to take 1 cup of white rum, and you can get creative. You can use coconut rum, you can use lemon or lime, whatever suits your preference. And we're going to use a half of a cup of mango nectar. Now, if you don't like mango, you can try peach or pear or even guava would be delicious. And next, you're going to take club soda, and about 5 cups is perfect. Now, I tend to like just the pure club soda, but if you want more of a lemon lime flavor, you can use 3 cups of club soda and 2 cups of a Sprite or a Fresca. But no matter how you do it, this is just a refreshing, delicious summertime drink, great for a party. And if you have kids, just leave out the alcohol and they have something absolutely yummy that they can enjoy too. So give this a good stir and take a low ball is fine, filled with ice. And here we go. You have a beautiful looking drink. Let's take a nice sprig of mint and garnish that. Just break it off at the top. And here we go. We have a lovely mango mojito. Cheers.